If you're a caregiver in the UK, in the US, Canada, Australia, Europe, or any part of the world, this video is for you. If you've been into care business for at least 6 months, or let's say 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, or a year, that means you have hand-on experience on the job. Career job has a pathway. I'll be showing you what you will do to elevate your position from where you are now to the next level at ease. On that note, let's dive into it. Now I'll draw closer and listen very well. As a junior caregiver that have been experienced for 3 months, 6 months to a year, the first thing you should do, go and get NVQ. What is NVQ? NVQ means National Vocational Qualification. What it is a work-based qualification that demonstrates your skills and knowledge for a specific job or industry. It tells your employers that one, you've had training. Secondly, you've had experience on the job and you're good to go. You're good to perform any tasks based on that field when given to you. In this video, I'm trying to guide you on the pathway to follow to enable you get to your higher level, if possible, to a managerial level in your caregiving job. Caregiving job is a lucrative job. If you are guided on what to do and steps to take, in less than 2 years or so, you'll be able to move from junior level to a senior carer, to assistant manager, to manager, to being an assistant nurse or nurse, depends on what you want, except you don't want to grow in your field. Now, how long does it take to get this NVQ? Duration for NVQ. NVQ takes 3 to 8 months, depending on your course. So it take you 3 to 8 months, depending on your course of study. Okay, and the amount depends on your locality. I cannot say the amount for now because I don't know where you're watching me from, and I don't know the amount I will tell you that will sound strange to you. So find out from your local area how much they take for the course. All right. Now the next thing to do is to go and get medication certification. What does it mean? Medication training for care is very important. Go and get it and keep it. How to administer drugs. They'll teach you how to administer drugs to people and prescriptions. They will guide you on how to administer drugs and prescriptions to people. Example of one of the people that offers medical certificates are certificates. Example of it is certificate in principle of medication administration. And how long does it take? It takes 4 to 6 weeks to get certified on that. Okay, the next thing to do is to go and get phlebotomy certification. This means the process that involves drawing blood from the vein using needle for a variety of purposes. That is phlebotomy. It involves taking syringe to extract blood from the veins for lab purposes and whatever you want to use it for. So go and get certified on that area. That's the third thing. Now, okay, how long does it take to be certified as a phlebotomy? It all depends on how serious or how fast you are. Now, it takes 3 to 4 months or more, depending on whether you're doing it online, you're doing it conventionally, how serious or how fast you are. It all depends. The amount still depends on your locality. Please find out in your locality how much it costs for the course and try and get involved in it. Even as you're working, you have time online to start doing all these certifications. Now, what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to go and get PMVA certification. What does that mean? It means prevention and management of violence and aggression. It's a training program that teaches people how to identify, prevent, and manage challenging behavior, such as verbal or physical aggression. PMVA training is a crucial skill set for many industries, including healthcare, social care, security, and education. As you can see on my screen there, I've listed them out for you there. And guess what? It only takes 3 days to get this PMVA certification. Please go now and get it and keep it if you want to grow in the social care, in care job, in caregiving job. Go now and get it and keep. Now, the next thing to do is to register for leadership and management practice level 5. That is level 5 diploma in leadership and management for adult care. Go and get it. Go and get it. Get it and keep. It will help you, help your CV, help people employ you to know that yes, you've gotten a managerial skill based on caregiving job. Now, how long does it take? The duration is 12 months. Now, once you've gotten this certification, you are now set for a senior carer. You are now set for a managerial position after you've done your level 5 diploma in leadership and management for adult care. You can now go and take a nursing course by the sides. Okay? It will help you a lot to grow in this field of career. I promise you that you'll never regret it. Now, the last but not the least, if you're okay with this level, you can as well pause. But if you want to go further to becoming owner of an agency, owner of a care home, depending on your visa, if your visa allows you, you can go and get further level 7. You can own a recruitment agency, as the case may be. So that one is when you must have gotten to a level. We can now go into details on how to go about that one. So I will encourage you to follow these guidelines step by step. If possible, watch again, rewatch again, and know how to go about them and get them. This video will really help you. If this video has been helpful to you, if this video helped you, please don't fail to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.